Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share text to voice AI voice generator in 2024. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop I just open Chrome browser and I just type up play.ht. So I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the play.ht. This is a free text to speech online. Is a AI generate AI voice in a different types of humans. So first and foremost, let's get started over here. So just click generate AI voice for free. So once I click, it will ask you for sign up with your Google account. Just click here to sign up with your Google account and select your Google account to sign in. So whatever information you want, you can freely access and give your voice. So just continue with this AI applications so that will be easy for generate your text to voice, so that you can able to create a different types of text using the voice. So if you want to select how do you want to plan according to your need for individual or company, so you can choose for your learning or any other purposes you want, you can have access. So I just want to create my blogspot or any types of things, I can just choose, and I just want to give for my audio for the web or any other things I want. I just click here to create a basic information. Now my web browser will be open like Play HT Studio. So now I just want to type here and I can give a voice over there with the generate option. So what I have to do here, so simple and easiest way, so I just type the text over here. So hey, this is the text to voice AI. Welcome to HowXT best YouTube tutorial. I am Martin. Let's get started. So generate speech you can give means automatically it will generate your speech, whatever informations, whatever inputs you are given, everything will be displayed over here. So as you see here, so pick your performs voice over here. So just play and see. Hey, whatever there in your recording, everything will be displayed over here. I want to play this audio.
Hi video, welcome to HowXT best YouTube tutorial. I am Martin, let's get started.
Yes, so this is a beautiful voice from text to voice. It will generating over here. So if you want to create or change the voice over there, you can use this recent files and voice cloning and files and everything you can give according to your needs. You can choose and give your voice. So just click here to non-voice and open studio to give ultra text options. If you want to give your own voice over here, so just choose a voice cloning and create a new voice. So just click instant, so to create and upload your own voice. And if you want to choose a male or female, you can choose your name and you can upload your voice, clear voice, so that your voice will be added over here. So this is a beautiful option. Use this option to create and have access with your Play HT from your easiest way. So you can create your own text from the voice using AI generate options. So use this option to create a beautiful AI voice over here. So if you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.